How's it going, everyone? Are you seeing this morning? Another 7 for 7 winning trades. Guys, 100% win rate. I can't make this up. Go back to your charts here. Look at this. Right in market open. Entry, target, hit. Huge waterfall sell-off. Guys, congrats to the people that are literally holding this until your background switches over. 150 points. That's just insane. Let's keep going through here. Another one. Sell signal, target, hit. Sell signal, target, hit. Entry, target, hit. Entry, target, hit. Entry, target, hit. Entry, target, hit. Guys, I can't make this up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades. Not even counting this one. Target, hit, target, hit. But we're not going to go 9. We're going to say 7 for 7. That's just taking $100 out of the market every time that this gets populated. So you're telling me from 6:30 to right now, 8:30 or so, that's $700 profit, literally just trading with one contract and going for 5 points. That's it. That's literally a $700 screen. Guys, this is not even taking account of some of these. Look at some of these moves, though. I'm not kidding. Your background switches over to the first bullish candle here. You play this down, 36 points. Where's the next one? Right here. How far are you up on this trade alone right here? 75 points. Guys, I can't even tell you, 75 points. That's $1,500 just from here to here if you had held all the way down. Guys, this is why this is so powerful. I want to see if I can actually get into a trade over here and place this live with you guys. I'm seeing consolidation here. This is where I just want to hold off for a second to see if we get a break lower or if we actually start coming back up. Now, if you guys are new to these metrics, look at this. When you get this line right here into this top green section, this is saying that this is selling pressure. The bulls, meaning in green, are getting extended. This is when it starts stepping down. That's when the market can sell off. You know, so simple to say, like accumulation stage. This is where you want to accumulate. This is where we want to accumulate into positions before we see an increase. Into positions before we see an increase. So I wouldn't be surprised if this actually comes back up here, test this level of resistance, and then comes back down. So I'm gonna look at that in a second. If you guys are new to this channel, I want you guys to head over to My Future Success. This is still on sale right now. This will not be on for much longer at all. You guys can actually grab lifetime access, never pay fees, always get free upgrades here on Tradingview. New version 5, I'm looking over it a bit more. Everyone who gets in right now will be dropped this immediately when it comes out. We're actually on version 4 right now. So if you're one of the lucky ones that got in on version 1, you've literally got the last 3 of these completely free. Take a look at some people that have already passed their prop firm accounts. Absolutely incredible. I'm actually about to update this today. One-on-one training. If you guys want to do one-on-one trainings, please let me know over here. I can book it out. Currently about January 20th to 21st right now, I'm booked out to. Guys, over 105 star ratings. You know, this one actually just came through. This was actually just someone that had needed help on loading their metrics. You know, got on the charts with them, ended up loading it right away, and it was super simple. So if you guys have any questions when you get this, you're given instant access through Gumroad to everything. You know, source code, videos, exactly how to do it. But you know, if you have any questions on it, just let me know. I'm always here to help you guys out. Read through some of these testimonials, you guys. Oh my gosh. Like seriously, look at some of these 5-star reviews that have come through that have just completely changed people's lives. It's just insane. I love it. See, what happened right there? We got that push right back up. Gosh, this is where if this switches back over to green, this is where I could see a potential entry and just to go up and close out. You know, let's see if I can just go for 5 points here with you guys live. Look how fast this is moving over here, up and down. So one thing that I like to do, just be patient. You know, if all of your metrics aren't in line right away, it's okay. You know, so many times we want to get on our charts and be like, I want to make a trade within the first 5 minutes. Or the worst thing that can happen to traders is you get on and you make a trade within 2 minutes, you make $100. And then you're like, I can do that again in another 2 minutes. And you try it again, and you try it again. How many times have you got on, made a quick trade, tried to do the same thing over again, and then lost the trade? You know, if you get a winning trade, go away for a second, you know, grab a cup of coffee or tea and just chill out for a little bit and then come back. You know, the 1 minute time frame, you could literally do a little walk, 10, 15 minutes, come back and have a completely different opportunity on your chart. So guys, literally just looking at this, buy and sell signals alone, nothing else. Seriously, you go over here to Tradovate like this, and you put your profit target. If you actually switch this to 20, so take a look at this right here. This is 20 saying 5 points. Let's do this. I'm just going to show you guys. I'm going to set this up. Let's do save. So this is on. So this will literally say when I get a sell signal at the candle close, I get a sell market, and right when price comes down here, that 20 ticks, since it's the same over here, it's going to close it out for profit right away. Guys, it's literally that simple. Sell signal, entry hit. Look at this. Let's see how long it took to make $100. That took a minute from here to here. There's $100. This one took, 2 minutes to make $100. This one took 2 minutes. This one, Okay, 2 minutes, maybe 3 minutes on that one, and 1 minute on here. Guys, these are trades that are lasting literally a minute to 2 minutes to make $100. Now ask yourself, okay, if it takes that long, a minute to 2 minutes to make $100, can you be patient and wait 5 to 10 minutes on a trade? Maybe 15 minutes. Guys, I will wait that length any day possible. What I'm looking here, this could potentially be a continuational trade to the downside. What I like is looking for pullbacks with indecision, right? And then the first bearish candle after indecision, if this closes, that's where we can be looking for a 5-point drop to the downside here. If you don't get that and it comes back up, then we can be looking to go long. So let's just stay here with you. Like, let's have some fun with this. You know, this is a 10-point gap right here, 70 to 80. So we're only going for 5 points. You know, let's go like this. Let's break this down even further. You know, if you think of this and you look at this right there to there, that's $100. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. That's how fast this is adding up. One thing that you can say is that's how fast the market's moving right now, but that's okay. You know, I like when the market's moving like this because if it's moving this quick, it can hit our profit target really quick. You know, can it hit your stops? Absolutely. You know, it's why you don't want to have a 1-to-1 risk to reward when you're scalping because a lot of times it'll just hit your stop. Another indecision candle. This will have to wait another minute here to see if this comes back up. You guys see on the dashboard, money's stepping up, money's stepping back in. But what are we right now? Is there any indication of green on our chart right now? And you ask yourself, no. So am I hovering over sell or buy? You guys can ask that question to yourself. Right now, I'm only over sell. I don't even have an inkling of saying I want to buy the market right now at all. It's just sell, sell, and sell. And right when I get a bearish candle, you guys, what is a bearish candle? If you guys are new to this, this is a strong bearish candle, a full body with just a wick out the bottom. You know, a good way to tell with Hiekin Ashi candles is wherever this is pointy bit is pointing, that's what you want to do. Sell, sell, sell. Indecision, sell, sell, sell. That's literally it. It will point you in the direction of exactly where to go. You know, if we're having these pointing up, and then this is green and this is green, and everything else on your dashboard's green, well, why not just play this up and just keep writing and writing and writing? It's honestly what makes this so much fun. You know, it's trying to take out the complications of trading and knowing what to do. You know, if we can get into trades more confidently and say, this is the reason I got in because of X, Y, and Z, that is what's going to make you a very profitable trader. If you are getting into trades and you can't, and you don't know where, okay, here's my stop loss, here's my entry, here's my take profit, and why you're doing that, then it's something that you just want to go back to the drawing board and take a look at. Getting a little bit of a push. This support right here is acting pretty good. This one was a stronger one, coming back up. A little bit of exhaustion and now pushing back down. This could flow down even further. Yeah, this could actually be not a bad spot to actually get in over here. That probably actually moved the 5 points that we end up needing anyways. All right, here we go. Take a look at this. This is what I'm looking at. If this candle closes and we have a strong bearish candle, meaning we came back up, indecision, no wick on the top or bottom. Oh, actually, I think it just did it. This might have populated. Yep, it's got a wick on the top, indecision. So what do? You just hold off. It's totally okay. And you know, it's all right to just not take some trades sometimes. I would rather enter in on strong bearish confirmation instead of something that's going to be like, oh, I think I know where it's going to go. We don't know where the market's going to go. If we're trying to guess where the market's going, that's not trading. We want to make sure that everything on our screen is 100% set up before we execute a trade. And if it isn't, it's okay. We just stay there and we don't do anything. You guys, I might have to actually close this video off and let's get a little bit longer because I don't see any setups right now at the moment. And it's totally okay. You know, I will get back on and do as many live examples over here on my accounts that I possibly can. But I also want to show you guys that, you know, if there isn't a setup, I don't want to rush anything. Like ever. I really never want to rush anything. Although right when I say that, this is looking good. This is still a strong bearish candle. But we have support. Let's see if this bounces up and comes back up this way and just fakes everyone out. That wouldn't be good for anyone going short. But everything's still red. Everything is completely red. How many seconds we got left on here? 25 seconds. This is a strong bearish candle. This is totally on here. I like it. I actually might go with this. Guys, let's take this one. I'm thinking of going, so 14 seconds left. If this stays as a bearish Hiekin Ashi candle after a consolidation and coming back down, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, enter. I'm going to enter the market, and we're going to go right down here and see if we can pull out the 5 points. Let's see if this will close down here for us. Getting close. That was bearish candle. This one's still bearish here. Just has to go a couple more ticks to close this out. Let's see if this will come down and hit our target. There you go. Entry, target hit. $100 just like that. Literally just waited to here. First bearish candle, target hit. Just like that. $100. You guys literally just saw that live right in front of you. And now you can ask yourself, okay, well, if that was $100 that quick, how many times can I do this in a day? What would I do right now? I'm going to go away for a second. I'm going to come back and look for another trade, another 5 or 10 minutes, and make another $100. Guys, this is literally what you can be doing every single day. I'm so glad that trade ended up populating. Being patient, waiting for the right one. You guys saw it live over here. $100 profit, just like that. Just trading with one contract here with take profit accounts. Absolutely incredible. Guys, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. Take care. God bless.